basically heart has two types of muscles for two different functions. What are the two types of muscles? One is for the conduction. So you need to conduct the electricity that is produced or the signal that is produced to every part of the heart. So you have a conducting channel. So starting with the SA node, then with connecting fibers, then it reaches AV node, then bundle of His, and then divides into left and right bundle of His, and finally it divides even further into Purkinje fibers. So these conducting cells do not contract and can generate action potential and contract without an external stimuli. So why is this important? This is important because our heart keeps on beating without getting an order from outside or getting an order from the uh, technically from the brain. The conduction process or the process of the heartbeat generation, I should say, is totally automatic and on its own. Now, if you look at the contractile muscles of the heart, they are used for the pumping action, and as you can understand, heart keeps on pumping from the time somebody is a fetus till the time somebody dies. It works non-stop. It never gets tired, and it just works great in most cases. So it's really something that we should appreciate in nature and try to understand it.